Here I am in the Taki No Ne Park, the waterfall park. Let's walk down carefully so I don't drop my iPad. Very nice walkway, and here we go. It's a very nice place to make my flute videos. Here's the pond. You can see wild ducks, 2 of them. Apparently they live here. And carp. You can see carp in the water. There are small ones over there, and you can see the big ones right here. And the little waterfall they have here, and that's why they call it the Taki No Ne Park, the park with the little waterfall. And this is usually where I go to make my flute videos. Play my shakuhachi flute or my Chinese shell flute. Very nice backdrop. Well, let's take a look on the other side where they have an area for kids. A very fun area with lots of obstacles for kids to climb. Kind of like a jungle gym, except it's much bigger and longer. Let's keep walking and we'll see everything in this park. Okay, water goes there. Let's walk to the play area. This part used to have water, I think. Now it's all dried out. Yeah, it's all dried out. And then on to the play area. And this is where the play area ends with the slide. It's a very long slide. As you can see, it goes all the way up to the top of this hill. So definitely very fun for kids. So this is the area I told you about for kids to play on. Lots of obstacles. It's pretty amazing, and it's free, you know. It's almost like the, what do you call it back home, that TV show, or those obstacles. I forgot them, something mutter. But this is for kids. You can see lots of obstacles here. For example, this one here. And then there's more. Kind of tough. Some tires on chains. And this part leads to the slide right there. Okay. Some more stuff over there. And on we go. Try not to trip over some of these roots sticking out of the ground. Some monkey bars right there. And it starts from here, that house, the gazebo right there. And they have this cable here for you to slide. Pretty impressive. Oh, one broke. They used to have two. It broke, or it took it down, but basically you swing on this rope here. Pretty fun for kids. And it all starts from the entrance, where there's a suspended wooden bridge, which is kind of scary because I'm pretty heavy. This is the bridge that leads to the street, and to the right is a house. Apparently I was intruding into the house, and some guy came out and asked me what the hell I was doing. It looked like a Yakuza member, like a gangster in Japan. I thought it was a shrine for visitors, but apparently I was wrong. And here's the bridge. And when I walk on it, it shakes, it sways kind of strongly. Like her, she almost fell down because I'm so heavy. I'm like a 80 something kilo. So that's the house I was filming. Like those dogs, they basically got angry at me for not asking for permission, I guess. I'm just filming things I see around town, but those guys, they don't understand. They might come and jump me and break my camera. Viper, I'm just walking around town with my new 2012 iPad, and I found this really nice looking Japanese house, or some kind of a temple, I'm not sure, but they have all the stuff you would find in the Japanese movies. Some plum trees and sakura trees, some bonsai trees, and of course very old looking Japanese house with tile roofs. And let's take a closer look. And also a Buddha on the floor right there by the tree. I'm not sure if I can go in here. Let's see, very beautiful trees. I wonder if we can go in here and take a look. There are sakura blossoms up there. These are different kind of sakura, not the famous kind, so they bloom a bit faster, I think. Oh, maybe they are sakura flowers. Yeah, sakura cherry blossoms. You can see. Very beautiful the way they made this place. And here is the Buddha statue. There's a bike in there. I think it's someone's house. I'm not sure, but it looks like it. There's a bike right there. Maybe it's a Yakuza family's house, like a Japanese gangster's house. Maybe I should leave.